Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Thursday, April the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free trading room. I open the room at 9 o'clock every morning. And, of course, tomorrow, don't forget, tomorrow is a market holiday, Good Friday. And so the market and yes, the market is open on Easter Monday, so it is open on Monday. And I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code, another promo code for 20% off. I think it's Easter Holly, all in capital letters, but you'll see it in the email you're getting. And that code should be good until Sunday night, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time, all right, Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday night. That'll give you 20% off the first month or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. All right, well, the theme of today is not over trading, I suppose. I only made one trade today, guys, and this turned out to be a really good one. This is SNBR, and they announced earnings after the market closed yesterday. And so when we woke up this morning, you see all this. This is the pre-market right there. There's the big gap down that we see. What attracted me to it, though, is they look at the daily chart. I mean, if you know me well enough, you know this is what I live for. You see a daily chart that looks like this. The 200-day is down there, so that's not an issue, 36.28 or 36.78. But look at the gap. So, I mean, this gapped all the way down. And so all I did was, let me get back to the time frame. I waited for the break right there of 40. I'm sorry, at 41. I waited for the break of 41. And yeah, I gave up a little bit. It gave up a little bit of money, but what I wanted, I like it to see them clear the whole number. And so I basically took the short there at 40.81. I covered a little bit here. I always like to take a little profit, especially it moved down so quickly. A little bit here, and then look at this. I mean, this was almost $2. And then as it moved up, I covered it here, the last little part. That's all I did today, guys. Sometimes that's all you need to do is just find one good trade. We are getting right into the beginning of earnings season. Just to show you what I'm talking about. These are, and I'm going to, if you want these, I can give them to you. I would suggest that you have these up and running. These are the earnings plays up, and these are the earnings plays down. Now, some might be down. So this is still down for the day. Well, it's at zero right now. But how I have these sorted is where they are in relation to the daily range. So this TSM is almost at the top, whereas SLM is almost at the bottom. That's how I have this sorted. And if we looked at this, if we had these up, I had them up and running for the last few weeks. There may have only been 2 or 3 in each. All right. Look at today. Say we're just starting. Next week we have about 400 companies releasing earnings. Probably the week after that there'll be 1,000, and then for the few weeks after that there'll be 1,000 every day or every week. So these are why we focus on earnings, is because these are the stocks that typically move all day long. Not all of them, of course. But, when a company has earnings, typically they're active all day long. And so how I like to sort them is to see the stocks that are near the highs of the day and near the lows of the day. This is actually the same window. It's exactly the same. If I elongate this, you'll see TSM is down here. There it is up there. The reason I do this is that I want to, at a glance, see the ones near the high, and at a glance, see the ones near the low. When we have 400 companies releasing earnings, this window would be crazy long. So that's why I do it this way. Anyway, if you want this, you can ask me for it, and I would absolutely suggest that you watch the earnings plays now for the next month, because those are typically the most dynamic moving stocks for the day. All right, that is about it. Say just one nice trade. That's all you need. Close this down. Bring back the capture program. Any questions for me, you just use this email address. A link for the free room. Again, there's a promo code here, Easter Holly, all in capital letters. You'll see it in the email. Hope everybody has a good long weekend, and we'll see you Monday morning. I'll open the room at 9 o'clock sharp Monday morning. Have a great 3-day weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.